This is the status of my 2007 Toyota Camry Hybrid. It's on for a oil change. Waiting for all of the oil to drip. And right now the condition of the seats are really worn out at 231,000 miles. Yep, so this one is worn out, this one too, pretty much due to mileage and wear. And this is what's at the trunk, and I still have the EverStart Platinum. Yep, I think it's been here for 3 years already. Still doing good. Got charged more from Toyota this time, so they're charging me like $2 for the gasket. What the heck? For one gasket, $2. This used to be free last time I bought it there. I usually buy my my filter from the Toyota dealership. Now they're charging me $2. Now it's like $10. Man, probably the guy's new. 4 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic. Check the oil. Yep. An update on my 2007 Toyota Camry Hybrid. So it has 231,409 miles now, and it's been doing good. This is after I did the oil change, and yeah, that's my average 37, best is 45.2. Yep. So I'm gonna drive this around, do some more laps. So this is my Camry Hybrid cruising in the highway, 65 miles per hour. Still doing pretty good at this mileage.